Hi, in this video, we'll cover some basic identities which you must have studied earlier in school. So the first one is a plus b square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. The second one is a minus b square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. And the third one is a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. We'll soon see questions which apply these identities. But before that, I'd also like to point out the stuff that we have at the bottom. So a square plus b square can also be written as a plus b square minus 2ab, or a minus b square plus 2ab, or a plus b square plus a minus b square by 2. Knowing this identity in this format is also useful for various questions. Let's look at a question. So in this question, we have been provided the value of a plus b, which is equal to 0.8. And we have been provided the value of a square plus b square, which is equal to 0.34. And now we need to find the value of a comma b. If you look very closely, you would notice that the answer is probably 0.5 and 0.3. You can even make out from just by looking at the numbers. But we'll see how we'll have to solve it in the examination condition, in case the numbers were not that easy to just guess by looking at it. So we have a plus b equal to 0.8. And we have the value of a square plus b square. What connects these two values? We have an identity which we saw previously. So a plus b square minus 2ab. This will connect a square plus b square and a plus b square, right? But using this identity, I only get the value of ab, but I need the value of a and b. Can I do something else? Yes. There is another identity which we saw in the last page, which was a square plus b square equal to a plus b square plus a minus b square divided by 2. Now, can I use this one? Of course, I can use this one. So, because using this, I'll get the value of a minus b, and once I get a minus b and a plus b, I can add them up to get a and subtract them up to get b. So, we'll use this format of the identity that we saw earlier. So, we have a square plus b square, which is 0.34. Which is equal to a plus b square, which is 0.64, plus a minus b square, and divided by 2. And when you solve for this, you will get a minus b square is equal to 0.04. You need to do the solving 0.68, and when you subtract it, you'll get 0.64. So from here, we get a minus b equal to 0.2, or a minus b equal to minus 0.2. And then we can solve for both, or you can solve only for one, because in one case you'll get a as 0.5 and b as 0.3, and the other case you'll get b as 0.5 and a as 0.3, because this expression is symmetrical around a and b. You can replace b with a and with b, and you'll get the same answer. There will be two solutions where in one a will be a certain value and in the other one b will be of that same value. So 2a equal to 0.0, here you get a equal to 0.5 and b equal to 0.3. And if you look at this one, a plus b equal to 0.8, 2a equal to 0.6, a equal to 0.3, b equal to 0.5. So this is our answer. This would be considered an easy question from CAT perspective, and we should be able to do this within like 30, 40, 50 seconds. So please ensure that you practice enough to get to that level. Let's look at the next question. In this question, we have been given that a plus 1 by a is equal to 10 by 3, and we have been asked to find a square plus 1 by a square. In general, when you are given an expression of x plus y and you are asked to find x square plus y square, you will need more information, because when you square x plus y, you'll get an expression of 2xy about which we do not have any information right now. But here, this question is solvable, because when you square it, the a and 1 by a terms will cancel. So let's see how we'll go about this. A plus 1 by a square is equal to, applying the previous identity, a square plus 1 by a square plus 2 into a into 1 by a is equal to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. In this, if you substitute values, you'll get the answer. So you can just substitute 10 by 3 up. So you'll get 100 by 9 minus 2 is equal to a square plus 1 by a square. Or is equal to, you can do 100 minus 18, 82 by 9. That is the answer. This is a very easy question compared for a CAT kind of an examination, but abbreviations of this can be asked, where this is a sub part of the entire question. So it's a good question to know, because there are many questions which are built on top of such concepts, And we'll see some of them in our advanced courses on the website. Thank you.